So the platform is able to help pretty much at any point in the life cycle of owning and managing a rental property. But we offer two main services, and there's two things that our customers continue to come back to the platform for. The first is to help you find a tenant. And so, whether you've just bought your property or your tenant who's been there has told you that they're going to move out and you need to find a new tenant, you would come to the RentBetter platform. You can set up the details of your property. The ads then get published onto realestate.com.au, domain.com.au and rent.com.au. Then all the inquiries will come back through. You'll deal direct with tenants, but the inquiries are logged on the platform. The same thing goes with applications. You can access online applications that are industry standard. And then with one click of a button, you can run a tenant check, and another click of a button, you can set up a lease agreement. So that essentially is our first offer, to help you find a tenant. And then the second offer is to help you, once you have found that tenant and that you've secured them in the property, to actually manage the property. So we will offer a condition report, which is an online form. You can fill out all the details. Gone are the days of sort of painfully downloading photos and trying to put them into a spreadsheet and send out a file. The system allows you to create a single digital report, which you can then send to your tenant and continue to update throughout the tenancy and at the end of the tenancy. You can also invite your tenant to pay using the RentBetter platform, which means they can pay using a credit card or a bank transfer, and the system will automatically create a ledger. It automatically runs the payments, issues receipts. If anything fails or there's any issues, it'll send out alerts and notifications. So again, gone are the days of having to chase a tenant or ask, can you please pay my rent? The system will really help you do the heavy lifting. And the thing that a lot of our customers will say is, instead of having to be the bad guy and almost chasing the tenant immediately, the system's doing it and starting the process and making sure that you get what you need, which is obviously your rental income and your return from your property. And at the same time, the system is helping along the way. You'll also find that there's a maintenance module so that you can actually get quotes from tradies, and then there's a reporting function so that all your income and all your expense are collected and captured and automatically updated in one place. So when it comes end of year, you don't have to take a shoebox full of receipts to your accountant anymore. You can actually just click one button and it'll print either a PDF or a Excel version of your property report.